If you have an iPhone, you actually don't need the premium version of Canva in order to remove the background from any photo. So you can do this using your own photos. You can do this using Canva photos and remove the background on those. But let me go ahead and show you how to do this. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you open up a project to work on inside of Canva. And then you want to go and select the photo from your photos library that you want to remove the background from. Once you are in here and viewing the photo, then you can go ahead and just tap and hold in order to grab. For example, I got the dog right here. This is my dog Linus. And then I'm just going to switch apps, go back into Canva, and then place Linus right in. Now I have Linus fully removed from the background, and I was able to drop him into Canva. Now, let's say that you are wanting to work with a stock photo or something like that from Canva itself. Well, what you can do is you can go into the photos from Canva. You can download them to your camera roll, and then you can do that same exact process that you just saw, where you go into your Photos app, you long hold to select the object, and then you can either copy it or you can just drop it into place into Canva, and it will work the same exact way. So yeah, if you have an iPhone, you actually do not need the premium version of Canva in order to remove the background. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.